Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate the large and small face frames and connect them by inserting the wooden dowels of the small frame into the pre-drilled holes at the center of the large frame. Set the frame upright with the long arm at the top and use your drill and screws to secure them. Locate the bottom panel and set it in place, aligning the pre-drilled holes at the bottom of the face frame. Then attach it with your drill and screws. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to the grooves on the inside of the face frame. Insert the side panels with the notched corner for the toe kick towards the bottom. Use your rubber mallet to ensure the panels are correctly seated and aligned within the grooves and eliminate any gaps. Use your drill and screws to attach the metal brackets to the inside of the cabinet, positioning them at the top, center, and bottom of each side of the face frame to secure the side panels to the frame. Additionally, place metal brackets on the bottom of the cabinet, securing the side panels to the bottom panel. Install the back left side panel with the side joint groove towards the back of the cabinet box. Be sure the bottom panel is correctly seated in the joint groove and to properly align with the front panel before using your narrow crown gun to secure the back side panel to the front side panel. Install the back right side panel by inserting the wooden dowels from the face frame into the pre-drilled holes on the panel. Make sure the panels are firmly seated within the joint grooves and properly aligned before using your narrow crown gun to secure the back side panel to the front side panel. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Use your drill and screws to attach metal brackets on the bottom of the cabinet, securing the back side panels to the bottom panel. Locate your long and short toe kicks. Install the long toe kick with the pre-drilled groove on the center facing up. Align the end within the groove on the back right panel. Then install the short toe kick into the center groove of the long toe kick. Make sure the toe kick is properly aligned before securing it to the front side panels using your spot nail gun. Next, use your drill and screws to fasten the two toe kicks together from the back where they meet in the center. Additionally, use your drill and screws to secure the long toe kick to the back right panel with a metal bracket. Set your cabinet box upright and locate the frame support beam. Install the wooden dowels into the pre-drilled holes of the side panels, aligning the support beam with the long arm of the large face frame. Use your rubber mallet to ensure a tight fit. Use your drill and screws to install metal brackets connecting the frame support beam to the side panels and large face frame. Next, locate your L-shaped corner brackets and use your drill and screws to install them to the top corners of the cabinet box. Next, slide the back center panel into the joint grooves of the side panels. Use your rubber mallet to ensure the panels are correctly seated and all gaps are eliminated. Install the wedges towards the top of the cabinet, connecting the back center panel to the back side panels. Locate the door front and place it face down on your work surface. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the door and attach them with your drill and screws. Then attach the hinges to the cabinet face frame. Adjust the hinges to properly align the door to the desired position. Next, attach the first half of your magnetic door catch to the upper corner of the face frame, roughly 2 inches from the side edge. Align the second part of the magnetic door catch with the first half and attach it to the upper corner of the door panel. The magnetic catch should be installed roughly 2 inches from your door panel's top and side edges. Congratulations on completing your assembly.